Hello guys, so this is 2024 Honda Crv, and so this car is an accident car, so we have work on it. And the problem on this car is now when you spark, it will spark, but the accelerator is not responding. So now let's start and see. As you can see, the engine is on. Press the accelerator. See, so as you can see, accelerator down and the accelerator is not responding. So right now let's run a diagnosis and check if there is any problem in the system. So right now let's perform auto detect. It's red, the country Canada. As you can see, this is the problem on the, so we need to check all the fuses. We need to check all the fuses and check back again. So this is the problem. We need to check the fuses and the relays. So he said the electronic throttle control system relay of malfunction. So we need to check the relays and the fuses. So this is how we test the fuses. So I've checked all the fuses and all the fuses are okay, and I've removed the control board, the ECU, and see that the socket, as you can see, the socket is not properly fixed. As you can see the gap on the big one. So I will try and fix, because the locker is broken. So I'll try and remove it and fix it back, and it's back again. So I've moved the socket and fixed it back again. So as you can see, now it's properly fixed. So as you can see, I've removed the socket and fixed it properly. So now it's properly fixed. So I need to. So now let's start the engine. So I've fixed the socket, and but the accelerator is still not working, as you can see. So let's go ahead and check a different problem. So after fixing the socket, the accelerator is still not working. So I found out the inside the socket. See, 2 of the pins has bent, as you can see. You see that? So that's the problem. I think that's the problem. As you can see, that's why the accelerator is not responding. See that? So I've done fixing the pin. Now the pin is straight now. So let's go ahead and fix the socket and spark and try and see. So as you can see, now the pins are okay. As you can see, the bulb is fixing now. So now let's try and see. As you can see, now it's working. Next time the accelerator is not working, I have checked you need to check the fuses and the wires, and when everything is okay with the wires and the fuse, you need to check the control board. So that was the problem, and as you can see now the accelerator is responding. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos.